Hi everybody and welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to buy items on lugar.gg. So this is going to be an easy guide. First, make sure to head over to the platform lugar.gg. Once you are there, you can see you have quite a lot of variety of stuff in here, like for example guns. We can head over to that. You can see the pricings in your local currency as well, and we can scroll through all of these, and whatsoever we would like to purchase, simply let's just assume that I want to purchase this shark gun. Click on add to cart, and then you can easily simply choose whatsoever you would like to buy as well with that. And if you are finally good to go, click on checkout. You need to be signed into your account, and you can simply pay your price and get it going. So quite simple, no rocket science here. And make sure to choose and whatsoever you would like. Make sure you are on authentic website. Do not get yourself scammed by those fishy websites that are out there. So yeah, that's how you can buy items on lugar.gg. And see you guys around in the next video. Subscribe if you feel like our video was amazing. See you and stay happy.